Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2017 Chevy Cruze Premier, stock number Z7187XX. 11,000 miles on this Cruze, comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Red hot in color. To be GM certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty in 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. Cruze is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 5, leather interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And of course, very clean. No dents or dings in the body. This Premier has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel, put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system. Cruise control, heated leather wrapped steering wheel, great for those cold winter days. Large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. And that is of course where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest, and a spacious glove box. Under the hood, this Cruze has a 1.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 153 horsepower. And of course, just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, EPA average of 30 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 40 on the highway, and approximately 65% tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ7187XX to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.